Hello students, today we will discuss motional electromotive force in chapter number 6. And first question arises, what is motional electromotive force? Motional electromotive force means induced EMF produced in a conductor due to its motion in a magnetic field. Let us consider PQRS is rectangular conducting loop in which PQ arm free to move without any loss of energy due to its friction, and the cross represents uniform magnetic field perpendicular to the plane directed inward. Let us consider PQ arm moves with constant velocity v toward left of the conductors. If the length RQ is equal to x and PQ is equal to RS is equal to L. When PQ moves toward the left of the conductor, then magnetic flux decreases. Then the magnetic flux related to this conductor is given by phi equal to B into L into X. A means area means length, breadth, L into X. Then magnetic flux associated with the loop is given by BLX. Then induced EMF in the loop is given by Faraday's second law, E equal to minus d phi upon dt. And put the value of phi, then we can write also minus d upon dt BLX. And we can write also E equal to BL minus dx upon dt, and dx minus dx upon dt equal to velocity. Then we can write induced EMF due to decrease in the magnetic flux in the loop is given by A equal to BLB, and it is known as motional EMF. And by Lenz's law, the direction of electromotive force is along QRSP. If R is the resistance of the loop, then induced current is given by I is equal to E upon R is equal to BLV upon R. Now next topic, we discuss energy consideration in the motional EMF. If R is the resistance of the movable arm PQ and the resistance of other arm is negligible, then overall resistance of the loop is given by small r. Then current induced in the loop is given by I equal to induced EMF upon resistance is equal to, put the value of E from these equations, then current is equal to I equal to BLV upon R. Then force act on the arm PQ is given by BIL is equal to B, put the value of I, BLV upon R into L is equal to B square L square V upon R. Then power required to push the conductor PQ is given by P equal to force into velocity, and put the value of force from this equation, then B square L square V upon R into V means B square L square V square upon R. And mechanical energy dissipated per second is given by P equal to I square R is equal to B L V upon R whole square into R is equal to B square L square V square upon R. This means that power required to push the conductors will be equal to the mechanical energy dissipated per second. Now next topic, eddy current. And what is eddy current? Eddy current means induced current in the bulk piece of conductor when the amount of magnetic flux linked with the conductor changes. Actually ये induced current है जो bulk piece of conductor में produce होता है due to change in the magnetic flux. And since eddy current looks like as eddies in water, therefore it is known as eddy current. And they were discovered by the Foucault, hence it is also known as Foucault current. And the magnitude of eddy current is given by induced EMF upon total resistance R, and put the value of E from Faraday's second law, then we can write also magnitude of the induced current eddy current I equal to minus 1 by R d phi upon dt. And direction of eddy current is given by the Lenz law or Fleming right hand rules. And what is the uses of eddy current or what are the applications of eddy current? Eddy current का यूज कहाँ पे होता है? फर्स्ट इसका यूज होता है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक डैम्पिंग डेट इज यूज्ड इन द डेड बिट गैल्वेनोमीटर्स. सेकेंड यूज होता है इसका इंडक्शन फर्नेस एंड मैग्नेटिक ब्रेक्स, इलेक्ट्रिक पावर मीटर एंड इंडक्शन मोटर. ये सारे ऑपरेटर्स में जो है एडी करंट का यूज होता है. एंड व्हाट इज द डिसएडवांटेज और अनडिजायरेबल इफेक्ट ऑफ एडी करंट? फर्स्ट है अनडिजायरेबल इफेक्ट और डिसएडवांटेज. फर्स्ट, दे अपोज रिलेटिव मोशन. मोशन का अपोज करता है एडी करंट. जिस कंडक्टर में प्रोड्यूस होगा उस मोशन का, रिलेटिव मोशन का अपोज करता है. सेकेंड डिसएडवांटेज है लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट. जिस कंडक्टर पे एडी करंट प्रोड्यूस होगा वहाँ पे हीट प्रोड्यूस होता है, तो देन द लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी, वहाँ पर एनर्जी का लॉस होता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट. एंड थर्ड है टू एक्सेसिव हीटिंग ब्रेक द इंसुलेशंस एंड रिड्यूस देयर लाइफ. इंसुलेशन जो है ब्रेक हो जाता है. एडी करंट को हम डिलीट नहीं कर सकते बल्कि मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं. तो हाउ टू मिनिमाइज द एडी करंट? द मेटल कोर आर टू बी यूज्ड इन द एप्लियंसेस लाइक एस ट्रांसफार्मर, चोक कॉइल एंड डायनेमो. यहाँ पर मेटल कोर यूज किए जाते हैं. इस मेटल कोर को हम थिन शीट के फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं एडी करंट मिनिमाइज करने के लिए. फर्स्ट इट इज यूज्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ थिन शीट एंड दे आर इंसुलेटेड इलेक्ट्रिकली. मीन्स उसको बोलते हैं लेमिनेटेड. उसको लेमिनेट करते हैं और वे एक दूसरे के पैरेलल अरेंज करते हैं टू द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. ऐसा करने से एडी करंट का पार्ट जो है कट होता है और एडी करंट मिनिमाइज होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.